Hello everybody, it is Sandy here from Cessnock City Library. Can you hear the birds again today? They're having a lovely time out here. Here to share another fabulous school holiday fun activity. So today we're going to look at a do-it-yourself care package. Now, I know that we're not able to see as many of our friends and family as we'd like at the moment. So one way we can show them that we care is we can put together a little care package and send it to them. I'm sure they will love it. Now you can buy lovely care packages, but you can also make it yourself from things you have lying around at home and nice little notes and so on. So I haven't seen my daughter for quite a while, so I decided it was time I put together a care package for her. So let's have a look, shall we? So, found a nice box, and inside I have some homemade relaxing bath salts. So there's a recipe for that on Cessnock City Library's website in the school holiday fun section. So I hope she enjoys that. I popped a mask in there. You can't have too many masks, face masks nowadays. I made her this little sleeping mask, which is just got rice in it and a couple of drops of lavender. So when she's feeling a bit tense, she can lie down and just pop that over her eyes like that. Oh, that's lovely. What else? Oh, I have a nice bar of soap, a little stress ball that I made, some of the tea that she really likes, a little book full of all the things that I love about her, so she'll enjoy reading that, a bag that I made, and probably the thing that she will enjoy the most is a bag of lollies. Okay, so there it is, the care package for my daughter. A hug in a box. Have fun making your own care package. I'll see you next time. Bye.